lights, radios, no, they do not run on Windows. And then there's this development. Out on the line, testing the engine. You probably had the great good fortune to attend an air show where these gentlemen flew. I'm of course talking about the Blue Angels. And what we got here is we have an F-18 Hornet in Blue Angels on Dave Albion Jr. active control. He's going to taxi the airplane down. He's going to hold the brakes on it. And he's going to run this engine up. And you're going to hear what turbine power is all about. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Throttles are up. Here we go. Here's the F-18 Hornet. That is the sound of a genuine, honest-to-God turbine engine in miniature form. This engine runs on the same principles as those of business jets, jet airliners, and also latest modern fighter planes. It has a real turbine engine. Well, here's another one. This is an Air Hockey 339. Now the Hornet's powered by a King Tech 320 jet engine. The aircraft has so this up here is reducing afterburner on that jet. Well, you know something, ladies and gentlemen, model pilots have always dreamed of jet aircraft. I mean, from the lowliest jet trainers all the way up to some of the mightiest aircraft like the Concorde, the B-52, the B-58, or my personal favorite, the XC-70 Valkyrie. Model pilots are dreaming of having turbine power. Now you know, think of a hairdryer with about 2 horsepower. These were good, but they were cantankerous. They often ate up the glow plug, they would often quit and fight, and even at times the engines themselves would blow up. You're not going to get your engine sometimes. Well, these engines have turned out to be very reliable. First off, the fuel burn on these engines is just incredible. At full power, that F-18 will empty a 2.5-gallon fuel tank. The only time you will see these jet aircraft doing any kind of full throttle is on takeoff or on any kind of a climb. Once it has power, the idea is to conserve fuel because each jet engine will burn fuel faster than your own oil heat pump. So the idea being is to conserve fuel to get longer flight times, because let's face it, when you're flying something like this, it is like 7 years. You don't want to park the airplane. You want to fly that bad boy as much as you can. So that means pulling the power back. But there's another reason. In this country, there are aircraft like powered set up and the speed up to 400 miles per hour. Yeah, I don't think I want to do that because, as you may have noticed, one of the things about a jet airplane is that it uses a lot of sky up in the surface and the flies more hesitation to go up. They use a lot of sky, so you spend a lot of your time turning the aircraft around. Very little time spent straight and level. More hesitation to go there like Hornet. So the bottom line is, once the throttle faster, conserve fuel, you will get longer flight time. Because let's face it, cool as the Hornet is, there is no way to refuel in flight. That's what happens. So anyway, the good news is that between all of the developments and everything, it helps make these aircraft possible. You were able to do this 40 years ago. You were able to do this 20 years ago. The radios are so versatile, so programmable. You almost need an engineer to help you out. Look at JJ tear down and lock the Air Hockey 339, and he paints it onto the runway. Very nice. And here goes the Hornet on the flyby. He'll probably do a gear pass to verify that his wheels are indeed down and locked. And while he's doing that, what he's going to do is he's going to lower so that once they're lowered, he will return his seat back. Straight case to the most upright and comfortable position. Coming around from the left, Dave Albion, looking for the aircraft carrier. The LSO says, you got it, come on down. And here comes the landing. Look at that, take-off landing, caught the green wire. Now all he's got to do is hit the brake. And this aircraft is equipped. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Dave Albion, Dave Albion Jr., Pete Albion, and Dave Hayward, our model pilots out here today. Thank you so much, guys. All right, folks, don't go away. Jump plane's up there and